Okay, what do we have here? We have a set of Magic the Gathering crossed over with Dungeons and Dragons. Okay. And these are the special boosters called the collector's boosters, which just means they're very expensive for the same kind of cards. They have a special collector's art. There are some bonuses in there too, but and I also got a the pre-release package. I don't know if there's doing too many pre-releases during COVID, but it's pretty cool. But these are the regular boosters for, you know, boring draft. This is where we're at. I actually like draft quite a bit. And technically, that's for sealed, but the same boosters for both purposes. One-handed magic. And magic. I'm not damaging the box. I don't know. Should I keep this box? Alright. I have no idea how this is opened. Interesting. Huh, okay. Just kind of slides on out. I'm not going to say how much I paid for this. Just ridiculous. That I believe is a beholder. Maybe the most famous. Xanathar. Ooh, I like these. I like these. Nice and shiny. A bunch of shinies in here. Alright, I'm going to open up one pack for this video. It's going to be quite annoying to do the whole thing. I don't know. Maybe. I don't use a tripod or anything. So. Alright, I'm just. I have to use my teeth here. Alright. Hopefully nothing too expensive. It's definitely bit into something. Alright, what we got? Ooh, boo! Boo! And we can't have Dungeons and Dragons without treasure. Boo! Hamster of Minsk. Alright. Let's see what we got. Veteran Dungeoneer, common. Morningkin's Polymorph. Yeah, these are all foil. You come across a Knoll Camp. I like the naming convention for these cards. Ooh, classic monster. The Bulette, the Land Shark. And these actually look pretty good quality. Ooh, dungeon map. Druid class. And you can level up you. So you could level up in Druid classes. The most expensive of foil basic lands, the Island. Okay, Dungeon Descent. What a disappointing. Or maybe. I don't know. Ooh, full art. Song of Inspiration. I believe these are from the Commander sets. Only way you could get the full art version of the Commander card is through this collector's booster. Ooh, full art Flumph. I kind of like that a lot. The classic Baleful Beholder. Ah, perfect. Not this. Alternate art common is also this. Black Dragon full art. That looks cool. It's not that expensive a card, but it looks cool. Okay, Varys. I believe this is a character that's going to play a role in a future Forgotten Realms campaign book. So, don't have any opinions yet. Ooh, shiny. A mimic. I got a foil alt art mimic. You know what? Fuck it. That's cool. Well, this is the same disappointing rare I had before, but I'm not disappointed with this. So, Dungeon Descent. As a regular foil rare, it's like, whatever. But I love these old school module work for magic card. Yeah. You look at old D&D modules, that's how they look like. Not a bad way to end it. Yeah, sweet.